This lesson is all about how lines interact with one another. So, our first type of line we're going to go over is parallel. So, parallel lines are never ever going to meet. They're never going to touch. They're never going to cross. They're always going to stay that same distance apart. So, think of like railroad tracks. They always run alongside of each other, they don't actually ever cross. So, for example, we could, if these had the letters A, B, and the other line had C, D, we would, for starters, classify them as lines. So, writing them with their points, the letters, and the little line on the top of it. And how we say that they're parallel is we draw two little line segments going vertically in between the two classifications. So, this would read as line AB is parallel to line CD. The next type of lines we're going to go over are perpendicular lines. So perpendicular lines are intersecting at a right angle exactly. So they are forming that perfect L shape in the middle. So when we classify these, we obviously are labeling and classifying the lines themselves. So again, if we had some different points on here, we could say line AB is perpendicular to line CD. And that little symbol that shows perpendicular is an upside down capital T. So drawing almost like two line segments to make an upside down capital T. And then the last one, we have intersecting lines. They absolutely do cross, but they don't cross at a 90-degree angle. They just cross kind of at either obtuse angle, acute, whatever, just not a right angle because they're not perpendicular. So for these ones, there's no symbol like there is for parallel and perpendicular. These one, we're just going to use the word intersects. So here we have line AB intersects line CD. So again, this one doesn't have the symbol like parallel to or is perpendicular to. We just have that word written in there. So now let's look here. I want you to tell me, are these lines perpendicular, parallel, or intersecting?